It's literally 6 a.m. in the morning, Diwali morning, and this is how it looks like. It's very quiet. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I wish you all a happy Diwali. Okay, this one seems very awkward. This one is a little awkward. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wish you all a happy Diwali. I know this is quite awkward talking to the camera and stuff, but I hope I get used to it, and I hope you get used to it. Anyways, I'm about to prepare like 2 to 3 Diwali sweets, maybe. So I hope you get along and enjoy this ASMR with me. So let's go. And before that, check out my sari. I'm literally trying this color for the first time and I'm so obsessed. I'll also give you a separate outfit check in the next clip or something like that. Anyways, let's go. Let's get into this video. Before we start this video, I have to tell you that this has been my favorite green tea brand recently. So it is a lemongrass ginger tea from a Thai brand. So obviously, I cannot read these letters. Anyways, let me have my green tea before I start this video. Okay, not start this video, start the cooking. So I just made this homemade ghee yesterday, and I can show you how I made it in the next few clips or in the end, I'm not sure. But look how pretty it is. It's so yellow and it's so cute. Like I can just scoop it and just eat it as it is. Actually, I do that in real. But look how pretty it is. I already buttered the parchment paper and cut it into correct shape, and I used a bread pan. I think like you can use anything similar to this to retain the shape. So this is how it looks. We have to let it rest for another 30 minutes for the Mysore pak to cool down. I don't know whether I mentioned I'm gonna do Mysore pak previously. So yeah, I have made Mysore pak sweet. Now we have to rest it for another 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's go do the second sweet. So the next sweet we are going to make is Boondi Ladoo. So I haven't tried making it before, and thanks to Stevie Aka's recipe, I'm able to make all the sweets. Okay, talking to yourself in the camera is like pretty awkward. Even though the camera is over there, I am not able to see there and talk, but it's okay. So I love making sweets. I can say I'm kind of a little bit expert in that. Maybe Indian sweets. Okay, I love baking too. So, but this is the first time I'm making all these Mysore Pak, Boondi Ladoo, and I'm also about to make not masala vada, sorry, medu vada. You know medu vada, right? So I'm also gonna make that. It's currently 7:36 a.m. I think I can finish it all within 9:30 a.m. If it was not for this video, I think I would have completed long back. Anyways, let's go make a Boondi Ladoo. If you're still watching till now, I'm happy about it. Thank you, and I hope you stay tuned for the entire video. So awkward. Bye. Indian sweets require a kadai like this. Okay. If you're making Indian sweets, I think like calories should leave the chat or something. So this is what 8 a.m. looks like. The sun is finally out, but it has been raining all night, so it's cloudy. But I still love this weather. Like, this is my kind of weather. Okay, let's go inside. While the sugar water is getting ready, let's chat for some time. I hope your Diwali went well, because by the time I upload this video, Diwali will be over. So Diwali here in the US is quite boring. It's like quiet and boring at the same time, because you don't have so much to do. All you can do is like make sweets at home, breakfast or lunch, and then go to temple. You cannot burst crackers here. You can just use that, I don't know what it is called, it's called matap. You can use that here. Other than that, I don't think you're allowed to burst crackers. Like the Buswanam and all is fine, but nothing like that atom bomb or the Bijili Vidi, something like that, that is not allowed here. So it's really boring. I really like talking to the camera because I feel like somebody is listening to me, and I really love to talk, if you don't know that about me. So this is quite interesting and it's nice. I think I should start venting out more in my upcoming videos. Should I or should I not? Let me know. I'm just showing off my makeup. I look so pretty. For my first try, I think I did a great job, even though this is a mini Boondi Ladoo, not the big one. Anyways, I think I did a pretty good job. So let's go. The sky is so beautiful. It's pretty, very beautiful. Good thing to do end of the day is to get rid of this makeup. So this is the Clinique Take the Day of Charcoal Cleansing Mask. I have to tell you, this is one of my favorite product ever. It's the best. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed. If you like my cooking videos, do let me know so I can do more cooking videos in the future. I hope you liked watching. Okay, bye. See you in the next one.